Okay, so this is our front door, and you can see light coming through the door. And I'm going to show you here the reason why in just a minute. I don't know. I can still see light going way down. And that's because there's no insulation here like there used to be. You can tell there used to be. There's also this thing here, which is also another kind of weather stripping. And there's normally a rubber thing right here. And you can see a little bit of rubber thing here, but it's worn off. And this right over here shows what it's supposed to look like more. So you can actually see that it's actually thick, whereas that's all gone. So I'm not gonna worry, I'm not gonna replace these, but I am going to get that insulation in there. And here it is. Bryson is holding it for me, wearing his Your Old Baby shirt. And so you can get this for like $6 at on Amazon. I went to a hardware store and I couldn't find this stuff. I thought it would, but you do have to make sure you get the right measurement. It's, you know, so many millimeters thick, so you have to like measure your jam thing there to make sure you get the right size. And this comes in a double strip together. It separates, there's two pieces there. And Bryson brought down a set of scissors because we don't need the scissors to separate this, but we do need scissors to do the length. So,
and these your whole baby shirts are very fluffy and fuzzy.
Good. Okay, so now we look through the door and we can't see any light shining through. And closing the door is a little bit harder now. We have to actually push on it to get it to click. But that's okay. I don't mind pushing a little bit. And as you can see here, oh, there's Bryson again. That's Your Whole Baby shirt. We have the insulation here, right there, and all the way up. And Bryson helped me do it, and we got the leftover backing off of it. That's all we had to do. Is we took the backing off of it. We cut it to size with just regular scissors, and took the backing off of it, and the sticky stuff on the back holds it just fine. So, yay! Thank you for your help, Bryson.